Rafikis, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe down below. I am at the airport here in Mombasa. It's actually my first time here at the international terminal in Mombasa. I've never flown international from Mombasa. We're here and we're going through security and I'm so excited for this vlog. It's gonna be mad fun. We're going to Zanzibar. I have wanted to go to Zanzibar for the longest time. Say hi, Winnie!
I usually call them darlings. Hi, darling.
Oh, they're so cute. Basically, I just passed through immigration and I was talking on the phone and I saw Winnie just like going like this, but I was just like, my mind was not there. Then my friend Suhaila, who's there, she was like continuously laughing and I was like, Suhaila, why are you laughing? She's like, oh, that girl said your name. And I was like, what? I had to go back and say
still in progress.
Guys, Winnie has a YouTube channel.
So excited.
What's your YouTube channel?
The Juliet Method.
The Juliet
Check
Method.
it out. Thank you.
Yeah, go subscribe to her, guys.
So sweet.
And she works here at the at the airport. So if you're here, just come by and say hi to Winnie.
Okay.
So nice
Thank you, guys. Thank you. You're so awesome.
Guys, we're literally the last people to board this flight. There have been like so many complications going on this flight. First, we don't have our yellow fever cards, so we don't even know if we're gonna be like allowed to enter that country of Zanzibar or whatever. Second, the immigration lady like didn't stamp my passport and then she was like blaming me. Anyway, let's go to Zanzibar. Guys, we just arrived in Zanzibar. The flight was 40 minutes long. It felt like it was just like 5 minutes because like literally flew up and flew back down. Here we are. It is sunny and beautiful. This airport is so tiny. It is so small. This is the immigration side where everybody's like signing the forms. To Zanzibar.
Let me just say
She can't even. Come on, you can do it.
Farhana, little house.
Rafikis, welcome to Zanzibar. We are currently in the heart of Zanzibar, which is Stone Town, and we're just taking a tour because we arrived this morning. We arrived today at 12 p.m. Our flight from Mombasa was 10 in the morning. Was at 11 in the morning. We arrived here at 12. So we have half a day to just roam around and see the place, and we decided to start with Stone Town.
Mimi ni Mr. Kimaro Mchaga wa Machame.
Where's it? What? I just bought these super cute earrings for 5,000 Tanzanian shillings. But we really haggled. The guy started with 15,000 and we went up to 5,000 Tanzanian shillings. Guys, the great thing about Stone Town is that it's just right by the ocean. Look, there's just people swimming. The water is so calm, so beautiful. Guys, we just bought a SIM card and I can't even express how cheap it is over here. One SIM card cost us 1,000 Tanzanian shillings, which is like 0.50 cents in dollars, 50 shillings in Kenyan shillings, and then we purchased 2,000 Tanzanian shillings of credit, which we transferred it into data, and you can buy a 24-hour data for 1 GB for 2,000 Tanzanian shillings. That is so cheap. That's 100 shillings. That's 100 shillings per day for 1 GB. You see all this money? It looks like we've literally robbed a bank, but this is like, let's say $300 that we've exchanged, but the money here is so insane. Like 10,000 Tanzanian shillings is equivalent to $5, which is 500 Kenyan shillings, and here it's 10,000. It's just interesting to see how like different their money are. Okay, so guys, we're here in Stone Town. These are apparently the most famous mabuyu, and this is the guy who makes them. His name is Babu Isa. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, these are the matatus here in Zanzibar. It's like a truck and then the people are behind. So cool. We have now reached to a place, it's a Sokoni. This place is actually Markiti. It's like Markiti in Mombasa. This place is called Darajani, and it actually used to be a place where they kept and sold the slaves during the slave trade back in the day, and now it's turned into a fully fledged and the only market here in Zanzibar. Guys, look at this cute thing. It's the shape of a butterfly, and they have like all the spices. We have saffron, cinnamon, curry, black pepper. So creative. Guys, it has been such a long day. We arrived in Zanzibar today and we've already been exploring the island, and it's been so beautiful. I'm also going to be filming a best places to eat in Zanzibar and things to do in Zanzibar, because we're literally going to cover everything, the entire island. So stay tuned for those videos. Make sure to subscribe down below and click the bell button if you want to be notified when those videos come up, so that you don't miss them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye Rafiqis. I'm so tired.